guys! So it is Wednesday and I don't really know what we're doing today. We are in a little pain still from our hike yesterday. We are just hanging out in the cabin right now trying to figure out what we're gonna do. So yeah, kind of a chill day. It's pretty hot out today. We might go in the pool. So yeah, I guess you guys will find out sooner than I will what we're gonna end up doing. So we ended up at a waterfall again. And we might swim here later. So yeah, cool. So we're big fans of old cemeteries, and we found one, and it's supposed to be haunted. So we came to it, and that is where I am now. Yeah, it's pretty cool looking. So we're just kind of walking around looking at tombstones, and it's really hot, so later we're gonna go swimming, like I said before. So, yeah. Haven't seen any ghosts though. Mrs. Molly, wife of Mr. Archibald Woods. It's interesting how they wrote that. This is kind of just in a tree. Malted on this grave. That is just the skin of a buck.
And created the Grafton Village Cheese Company. The mission of the Wyndham Foundation, our parent company, is preserved through our cheese-making facilities both in Grafton and neighboring Brattleboro, Vermont. Today, the Grafton around the world, our success is simply measured by
salsa. Hey guys! So we are heading to a swimming hole. And it's like 90 degrees, so I'm really excited about this swimming adventure. So, yeah, it's the swimming hole that I showed. The water's really cold, but it's super hot, so I don't care. I'm probably going to freeze my butt off. And then we're going to come back and eat dinner. And maybe get ice cream. Yum! So, yeah, I bought a bunch of stuff today. When I get home, I'll probably do a Vermont Haul at the end of, like, posting these once-a-day videos. So yeah, so I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Look at how pretty this is, you guys. We're about to have a fire and we're gonna make it rainbow. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. It's like you're here. I just got in from the fire and it is time for me to go to sleep. I am very tired. So I will vlog tomorrow. We might be going on this cool rock walk. Can't pick it off. Cool walk through a like old village kind of thing. And we might go swimming. So yeah, I will see you guys then. Bye.